Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sashank. Today we're going to unbox Dell vostro 36H1 desktop, friends. So let's begin from the monitor. And this is the monitor, friends. You can see the Dell branding here, and you can see the model number up right there. And side there are no specs or information. It's 22-inch monitor, friends. And directly we'll unbox it. So I'm unboxing it. And here we go. We can see the power cord here and some manuals. This is the backside panel. This is the power cord, and this is a stand you can see here, and there is the actual monitor. Let me pull it out. It's so tight. Friends, I finally removed it from the package, and these are the thermocols, and there is a actual monitor, and there is the VGA connector, and down you can see the stand. So I'm removing the cover. You can see here, friends, there is a Dell branding down here, and it's so beautiful, friends. It's 20-inch monitor. It's a full FHD plus IPS display, friends. You can see the VGA mail port there, and it's so bulky, guys. It's so heavy, and this is not 2-in-1, guys. It's only the monitor. The 4 buttons used for control brightness and some screen settings. You can see the Dell mark here. It's so heavy in weight. I think it's around 2 kgs. So friends, here is the Dell CPU. It comes with Intel integrated 4GB graphics, 4GB RAM and 1TB hard disk, friends. And it's a Core i5 processor, but it's not compatible for my requirements. So I upgraded it. I upgraded the hard disk with 256GB SSD and 4GB RAM with 8GB RAM. And in this box we get a power cord, some papers. We get Windows 10 home version 64-bit. For my requirements, I upgraded into Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. The first specifications I told, it cost me around 45k in offline stores. When I upgraded for my requirements, they told me 60k. I bought it from Dell exclusive store in offline. You can Here is the actual CPU. It has 4 2.0 USB ports and 4 3.1 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port and 3.5mm jack. And backside we can see 1 HDMI port, 1 VGA female, 2 USB 3.1 and 2 USB 2.0, and there is an Ethernet port and power cord, and there is a green color port I don't know. And friends, there is a SD card slot and this LED indicator, and 3.5mm jack and 2 USB 2.2 and 2 USB 3.1. So let's connect the cables with monitor and on the system. So friends, after connecting the CPU to the monitor, the full desktop looks like this, and this is so big, guys, comparing to the new versions of laptop. And you can see Dell branding over right here. I used my Cosmic by GS4 headphones, and the user manual for the monitor came here. It's from Dell, and this is the user manual how to install the monitor. It's just nothing, guys. There are 6 steps in it. And the next, some papers are there, and next paper is the CPU. You can see the Dell branding and vostro 3681, and this is so big paper. This is how to install and connect, and how many ports and what are they. You can see here, and I got a warranty card and safety and regulatory information. You can see here, it's full written in Chinese, friends. I can't read it. You can see here, it's so big. It's written also in English. And for buying this desktop, I have got a benefit, that is McAfee antivirus. This is the product key. It's 15-month subscription, friends, up to 3 computers or smartphones or tablets. McAfee is built by Samsung, friends, supported by Samsung. You can use it. So friends, that much for today. Thank you. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe, friends. Thank you.